Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to easily build memberships using LaunchPass. Let's get started. First, head over to the LaunchPass website and sign up for an account. You can choose a plan that fits your needs. They offer options for everyone, from beginners to establishing communities. Once you're logged in, you will be guided to create your first membership community. Give it a name, set a description, and customize the branding to match your style. Next, it's time to set up your membership tiers. You can offer free or paid plans with different benefits, like exclusive content, private channels, or special events. LaunchPass integrates smoothly with Discord, making it super easy to manage access roles automatically. Now, configure your payment settings. If you offer a paid membership, LaunchPass supports secure payments through Stripe so your transactions are safe and reliable. Once your community is ready, share your unique invite link on social media, your website, or via email to start growing your membership base. And that's it. You've just built a membership community effortlessly with LaunchPass. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments if you ever use a LaunchPass for your community. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.